Hi there, foodies. Welcome and welcome back to Crave Cook, where we take simple ingredients and turn them into fabulous, delicious meals. Today, I'll be sharing with you my version of the best Guyanese stew chicken. If you guys have never made stew chicken before, grab a pen and a notebook and let's get started because it's going to be fire up in here. All right, so these are the list of our ingredients and they will be in the description box with the measurements. Now to our washed and clean chicken, we're going to add some green seasoning. I'll leave the link how to make that, or you can purchase some sofrito from the store. Add your Worcestershire sauce, a worst word in the world sauce, and your ABC sauce and some mustard. And that is ABC soy sauce. If you have soy sauce, it does not have to be ABC, but you can add your soy sauce, some onion, celery, and let them marinate for about 2 hours. Now you're going to fry your chicken up and it's going to produce its own liquid. You're going to allow this to reduce significantly and then you're going to set that aside. I realize here too, guys, that this pot was way too small. So I quickly grab one of my bigger Dutch oven pots. I add some oil and I add my tomato paste. Now this is key because you want to fry your tomato paste out, cook out all the rawness and the tinny taste. You don't want that. All right, so after about 2 to 3 minutes, then you go in with your sliced onions. Here, guys, we are literally building flavors. Add your onions, add your celery. Now you're going to add your diced garlic and ginger. Cook this for like about 30 seconds. Then you're going in with your diced potatoes. Continue stirring for about 1.5 minutes. Mix everything really well. You can add a little bit more sofrito or green seasoning if you have that on hand. It is not compulsory, but if you do, it's amazing to just add it here as well. Adds more flavor. Right, looks amazing. I did also add some carrot here and corn. Now corn is optional. It is not usually cooked in the stew, but let me tell you, if you guys are a corn lover, it's a game changer. It is delicious, let me tell you. I promise you, if you guys add corn, and I'm using the sweet corn, I cut in half and then I put it in here. Oh my gosh, guys, it is so delicious. I can't wait for y'all to try this recipe. All right, so after about 4 minutes, as you can see, the corn is there, the carrot, the potatoes, everything is really well seasoned and fried up lovely. So now we're going to add our chicken. Bring everything together, all the flavor into one pot. You can add some water here, but you have to adjust your seasoning, or you can add some stock, either chicken stock, beef stock, veggie stock, whatever. Key ingredient here is cinnamon stick. 1 cinnamon stick, and it will depends on the amount of stew chicken you're making, and some sugar to balance the flavor. Oh my gosh, guys, this was so amazingly delicious. So it has cooked down some, so it's about 2 to 3 minutes before it's done. Here is where you're going to add your bell peppers. Add your bell peppers, and I'm using multicolored bell peppers. Give it a quick stir and cover and let this cook for about 2 minutes. The flavor the stew observed from the peppers are super delicious. All right, and guess what, the pepper still has its integrity. And that's it, guys. It is done. Serve over some white rice and you are good to go. The best Guyanese stew chicken. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share, and also drop me a comment. Right, love you guys. Be kind to yourself and each other. Bye-bye.